Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, the time has come. It's all about love and relationship TV. And let me tell you something, my people. It is time for a video to come out. It is time for you guys to laugh again. So yes, my people, I want you guys stick and stay to the channel because there's a lot of video gonna come out this week, alright? Yeah, man. It's all about come home from work and you feel the blues. You sit and you tune into Laugh and Relationship TV, and trust me, it's gonna be epic. Yes, man, me tell you, it's gonna be epic, alright? So you don't know me, people. May I let you know it's all about fun and laughter. Yeah? Laugh all your worries away. Stick and stay. Laugh and Relationship TV. See the them, see? Yeah.